Hi, my warriors, welcome back to my channel and thank you for tuning in. I hope you all are doing well and are safe. So, by the title, you know, I'm gonna talk about few of the lessons which I have learned or learning through this pandemic. And I know this pandemic has changed the life, changed the way we live, we think, and आई होप सो एंड आई थिंक सो कि आपको कुछ लेसन्स मिले हो इस पेंडेमिक से. आई नो वी ऑल आर लुकिंग फॉर दैट नॉर्मल लाइफ जो पेंडेमिक से पहले थी. तो वी यूज्ड टू हग विदाउट सेकंड थॉट्स एंड बिना मास्क के कहीं भी चले जाना. बट आई नो दैट विल कम बैक आफ्टर सम टाइम. बट विदाउट लर्निंग द लेसन्स फ्रॉम दिस पेंडेमिक, अगर हम लोग उस लाइफ में चले जाते हैं, and I think this will possibly increase the chances of more such pandemics in our life and for future generations. So please tap into your consciousness and just learn this lesson, because we have been living and we are surviving this pandemic, and this too shall pass. But without learning the lessons, हमको आगे नहीं जाना चाहिए. And it is important, and ये pandemic हमको slow down करेगा to learn the lessons which we need to learn. And with that, please comment down below your biggest lesson which you have learned in this pandemic. So let's get into the video and let me tell you what are the lessons which I have learned through this pandemic. The first thing what I have learned is the importance of relationships. I know we all are busy in our life, you know, hustling hard to earn well, to live that life, to chase that dream. But कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग अपनी जो relationships हैं, हमारे जो जो एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट बॉन्ड होता है बिटवीन यू एंड योर इमीडिएट फैमिली, वो कहीं ना कहीं विद दैट टेक्नोलॉजी उस वजह से कहीं ना कहीं खो गया था. बट नाउ वी हैव सो मच इनफ टाइम, नाउ आई हैव सो मच इनफ टाइम कि आई स्पेंड माई टाइम विद माई फैमिली. आई ईट लंच, डिनर, ब्रेकफास्ट विद देम. आई नो हमारा रिलेशनशिप, टच वुड, आई कैन से दैट बहुत बहुत बेटर हो गया है. लाइक आई नो वट दे आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम एंड आई नो वाई दे आर फ्रॉम वेयर दे आर कमिंग, एंड उनकी मैंटेलिटी, उनकी आई कैन सी देम थ्रू माई आइज़ एंड थ्रू देयर आइज़ ऑल्सो. सो हमारी ऐसी बॉन्डिंग हो गई है कि आई कैन एम्पथाइज विद देम, क्योंकि उन्होंने इतना कुछ सफ़र किया है. सो okay, cut that short. I know like it has increased my relationship with my family and I am loving that. Second biggest lesson which I have learned is to tackle uncertainty. I have been that person जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा overthink करता था, and मतलब मुझे पता होना चाहिए दिस इज़ एग्जैक्टली हाउ इट गोना हैपन. आई यूज टू प्लान माई डेज, प्लान माई लाइफ, प्लान माई मंथ. नाउ आई नो हर जगह इतनी अनसर्टेनिटी है इन एवरी बिजनेस, एवरी स्टार्टअप, एवरी ब्रांड, एंड सबकी लाइफ में इतनी अनसर्टेनिटी है. देयर आर सो मच हैपनिंग अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, एंड तो आई नो हाउ टू टैकल अनसर्टेनिटी नाउ, बिकॉज आई एम ट्राइंग टू लिव इन द प्रेजेंट, इन द नाउ, in the moment, and I'm just want to go with the flow what is happening. I just try to give my best in every on every day basis, and that's how I am tackling it. I make plans, अगर वो नहीं work करते हैं, I just don't attach myself to the plans, to the outcome, to the result, and that's how I am happy with whatever is I am happening in my life. बिकॉज अनसर्टनिटी ऑब्वियसली है, बट नाउ आई नो कि मैं कैसे उसको मैनेज कर सकती हूँ, बिकॉज दैट नॉट गोना सॉल्व दैट ओवर थिंकिंग, दैट स्ट्रेस नॉट गोना सॉल्व एनीथिंग ओवर. नेक्स्ट लेसन विच आई लर्न इज पीस इज विद इन. आई नो मैं ऐसी थी, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ अस पीपल आर लाइक कि नो अगर कुछ हो जाता है लाइफ में, यू नीड दैट ट्रिप, यू नीड टू गो आउट, and it is important to go out, but sometimes you are like you take the instant decision कि मुझे तो बाहर जाना ही है. but this pandemic has literally हमको घर में लॉकडाउन होना पड़ गया इस चक्कर में, and we can't go out to sort things out, to talk to people. सब चीज़ें नॉर्मली ठीक हो जाती थी and distract कर लेते हम खुद को. but now I have to fight with my own thoughts, with my own anxiety, my stress. So I started meditation, and it literally changed my life. I could have gone all out with the stress, anger and anxiety, but now I know that I can go within and just solve things up, and that peace is which I have seeked every time in the things, in the people. Now I know it is within me and I can solve anything and everything. So I just practice meditation daily, so yeah, that is keeping me so much calm and sorted in these uncertain times. Also, one thing I would like to share is peace is फाउंड इन द प्रेजेंट. अगर आप प्रेजेंट में रहेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली पीस रहेगा, बिकॉज पास्ट में कुछ नहीं है एंड यू जस्ट विल गोना क्राई ऑन योर पास्ट. एंड फ्यूचर में ऑब्वियसली वी डोंट नो, एवरीथिंग इज सो अनसर्टन. आई हैव बीन देयर, आई हैव बीन इन माई पास्ट, आई हैव बीन इन द फ्यूचर, and I have finally found myself in the present, and I am so much happy when I stay present. I like life is so different when I stay present, so please try to stay in the present moment. I know difficult times hai, and present mein rehna bhi will just hurt you so much, but yeah, we have to deal with it. And life is so much more than just chasing money. I know we all have that, the dream, that dream house, that goal, that lifestyle we want to live, that car we want to have. सबका अपना अपना ड्रीम होता है, सबके अपने पर्पस होते हैं, एंड इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू हैव दैट गोल, दैट ड्रीम, दैट पर्पस, बट इट इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट टू हैव टू इन्वेस्ट इन योर रिलेशनशिप, बिकॉज वी नो कि आज हमको रिलेशनशिप्स कितने काम आ रहे हैं, एंड वी ऑल आर विद इन वन दैट चार दीवारी में हम लोग हैं. और हमारा अगर किसी से रिलेशनशिप अच्छा नहीं है, आई नो कि कितना डिफ़िकल्ट होगा उस इंसान के लिए कि उस डिफ़िकल्ट रिलेशनशिप में रहना इन विद दैट पर्सन इतना डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है. एंड फॉर दैट पर्सन ऑल्सो जो अकेला है, जिसके पास कोई नहीं है, एंड लिविंग दैट लाइफ अलोन, और इतना डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम्स में इट इज़ सो डिफ़िकल्ट. मतलब सोचने में इतना डिफ़िकल्ट लग रहा है. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल दैट आई लिव इन अ जॉइंट फैमिली एंड आई हैव सो मैनी पीपल अराउंड मी एंड आई हैव गुड रिलेशंस, and I'm just enjoying this time because we are all are touchwood well and we are doing well. So I'm just taking all that in and enjoying my life as much as I can. So now I know the importance of relationship जो हमने build करी है in these 2 years, and yeah, it will take patience, it will take so much forgiveness, love you have to give, empathize with these people. So please take time out from your just that busy routine and just listen to your parents, listen to your siblings, friends, partners, and it will gonna just serve so much in your future, and it will literally change your life. This is one of the biggest lesson which I have learned is health care, self care, physical care and mental care is really important. I have been that person जो अपनी health को neglect कर देता था. Like I have totally neglected my health for my work, for my responsibilities, but now I don't. I take my multivitamins on time, I take my medicines on time, I just take my self time out, and I do journaling, I talk to myself, and whatever is going in my head I just write it down and sort my thoughts. I do meditation for my peace, and I just whenever I don't feel like working out, I just don't work out. I used to talk so much self negative about myself. I try not to do that. Like once in a month it happens, but now I don't. Like I even used to do on daily basis, but now I don't. I just say good things to myself, good things to my body, and don't hate your body. Please be thankful to your body, and I just say thank you whenever I just feel like thank you to my body, because it is important to be thankful because it is working well, it is keeping you healthy right now, which is so much important than being that fitting that beauty standards. And yeah, I just say thank you right now to your body and you will see the difference. And it is important to invest in your health care rather than just buying that Gucci, Prada and Chanel ka perfume. I know that is also some luxuries we always want to have and most people want to have, but yeah, that will not gonna serve you, and this healthcare will serve you in the longer run. Guys, every coin has two sides. With the bad comes the good, and this is a race of survivors, and we are just, just winning it. And we gonna this too shall pass. We gonna just, come out of it really, really soon. Just hold on to hope. And yeah, these were the lessons which I'm gonna, just cherish, and I'm just gonna take after this pandemic also. And I will this, just take care कि मैं nature also, helps me out, and I will take care of nature because that is what, healing us and taking care of us. So with this industrialization हमको nature की भी just take care करनी है. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it. It's a very different kind of a video, and please share with people you know, so that they also can learn from such some lessons. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And yeah, this was it for the video. I hope you guys liked it, and see you guys next time. Bye bye, take care, and please stay safe.